Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about what is black box testing. As the name suggests itself, it's a black box. Consider there is an application. Consider your application is a black box. Inside the application, you are having the code. So black box testing means testing the functionality of the application without knowing into its internal structure. You no need to bother about what coding standard they have used in that application, what kind of architecture they have used, what kind of programming language they have used. No need to bother about anything. Just being a tester, you have to test the application, you have to test the outer part of the application, you have to test the functionality of the application without knowing anything about its internal structure of the code. That is called black box testing. I like to give an example here. Suppose you know how to ride a car. So you know how to ride a car, you went for a test drive. You no need to bother about what the car system, what cooling capacity that car is having, what kind of exhaust system they are using, what kind of engine they are using. You just know how to drive the car, you went for the test drive. The similar way, a tester who is performing black box testing, they know the functionality of the application, they just have to do the functionality of that they just have to do the testing the functionality of the application without knowing anything about its internal structure. Friends, remember, no need to bother about what technology they are using to develop an application, what kind of coding standard they have used, how the architecture has been done. No need to bother about anything. Remember, this is a very important question from the interview perspective. Who do black box testing? Testing engineers will perform black box testing. This black box testing always will be done at unit level, integration level, system level, and acceptance level. You may be getting some doubts like usually unit testing and integration testing has been done by developers and usually they will be doing the coding testing there. But as I told, this black box testing can be done at unit level and integration level. That means I'll be taking a smaller modules in unit testing. Suppose there is a user module, there is an admin module. Okay. So in my unit testing, I'll be testing one user module is there. So I'll be testing the functionality of the user module. I'll be testing the functionality of the admin module. So smaller modules I'll be taking and I'll be performing unit testing of those smaller modules as a black box tester. And in integration testing, once I'll complete unit testing of each smaller module, I'll be combining those smaller modules. I'll be combining user module plus admin module and I'll be doing the integration testing of those two modules. That is called integration testing. And in system testing, I'll be doing end to end of the entire application. That is called system testing. And acceptance level testing, as an user acceptance perspective, I'll be doing the black box testing. Okay. How black box testing can be done? So usually tester has to provide set of input values and expected results while doing the black box testing. After giving the input values and expected results, what about the output value you are getting or actual results you are getting? That you have to compare with your expected results. If your actual result is matching with your expected result, that means your application is tested and it is passed. It is working as expected. Let's see an example here. You are going to an ATM machine. You have inserted your card and you have given ATM pin. After giving these two as an input values, as an output, you will be getting your money. So here you are giving input values and you are getting the actual result as your money. So there you are comparing your actual result, like your expected was after giving input value you will be getting money, right? So here your actual result is you are getting your expected money. So that is how we'll be performing black box testing, and that is all about black box testing. That's all for today's video. If you like my video, Please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any further queries, please feel free to ask me at any time. You can drop me a comment also. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.